How to use Amazon gift card on Amazon Prime. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, let's go ahead and open any browser on our PC and then simply search for Amazon.in. Once you search for it, this is the page you're gonna see. Inside here, you wanna go ahead and simply tap on Add a gift card. And now inside here, you wanna go ahead and simply enter the gift card and hit Add Card to Balance to load the amount on your Amazon Pay account. So once the balance is loaded, your Amazon Pay balance will reflect the gift card amount. And now that you have topped up your Amazon Pay, head over to Amazon Prime to make your purchase. During the checkout, simply select Amazon Pay as your payment method, and since your gift card balance is already added, it will be used automatically. And that's it, guys. You have successfully used your Amazon gift card for any purchase on Amazon Prime. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.